I'm going to show you how to make little tassels. I'm just using scrap yarn for these tutorials, but you can use whatever you'd like. Also, you'll need something to wrap yarn around. I'm going to use this random McDonald's gift card tag that I found in my recycle bin. So, anything you want, you can use. Just make it so that it is about as wide across as you want your tassel to be. I used something different for this one when I made it, but I don't remember what it was. Usually I just raid my recycling and it works. Okay, so I've got this blue yarn. Oh, it doesn't want to unravel. Okay, so all I'm going to do to start is wrap this around here. So I'm going to hold that little tail so it doesn't go anywhere. And the more times you wrap it around, the poofier your tassel will be. Alright, let's just say that's what I want to do. Then I can trim this off here. And before, I'm going to end up cutting this side, but before I do that, I'm going to take another piece of yarn and I'm going to tuck it under here and I'm going to tie it to make the top of my tassel. Now if I wanted to attach this to something right away, I could just tie it around whatever I wanted to attach it. So like if I wanted to attach it to my scissors, I could put this through here and then tie it to make the top. But in this one, I'm not going to attach it to anything yet. So I'm going to tie my top. Now I'm going to cut this end of it so it's free. Okay. I'll make sure I keep these two out because that's what I'm going to use to attach it to whatever I'm going to attach it to. Okay, then I'll take these down and now I'm going to tie another string around here to make the little ball part. And you can make this wherever you want. Alright, and then you're going to take these two little tails, and this yarn needle is a little small for this yarn. That's okay. And then you just can tuck them in here, and they'll be part of the tassel. Maybe you do that. Come through. Come through. There you go. Alright, so they're part of the tassel. It's easy peasy, super simple. And then you just trim these if they're uneven. So those are my two from my tying, so they're gonna get trimmed off. And I've got a cute little tassel. I could tie it on as like a zipper pull or whatever. So this one I made fatter and I had trouble trimming my ends. They were uneven. Anyway, so that is how to make a simple yarn tassel that you can attach to your projects. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned. Next week I think I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom, a yarn pom-pom. Not one of those faux fur ones, just yarn, a traditional one. Alright, happy crocheting!